Okay.
I told it.
All right, Mama.
I press the box again.
You
What
don't-
are you I do to get in?
Let's go back to the home and remember, you don't have to say
Zipper.
please.
Okay.
Just tell it exactly what you want. Ready? Go.
Okay. Silverware, please. I don't know how to say nothing.
Okay. Try it. Try it again, Mama. Just what you want. Just what you want.
Silverware.
You have to press on the box,
Oh,
Mommy.
shit.
Mother.
That's the only bad part that I say. The only bad word.
Okay. Hit the microphone. Yes.
Silverware.
Then hit.
I got it.
No, you didn't.
Oh, shit. Not
Mother,
working.
how old are you?
70, I'll be 77.
Okay. Try not to cuss, Mama.
That's not big word, that's a little word.
That's a bad word, Mama.
No.
Yes, it is. Okay, come on. Let's try it again.
Practice and lesson speaking.
Okay. So go back. Okay, go to the white box. Click on the white box. Listen, click on the white box. Then click on the microphone. Only say what you want.
Okay.
Okay.
All this time they teach me how to say singing, and now you're trying to tell me to.
Okay, no manners now. Only manners with humans.
Silverware. Now you better listen to me. You be quiet.
Sailboat whip.
Oh man, I gotta teach me how
Okay.
to talk now. Oh, honey,
Okay.
do it.
Let's try again. No,
No,
you can.
I'm tired.
No.
That machine don't listen to me.
Okay,
you
Mama.
messed
No,
it
no,
up.
no, no.
You messed it up here. That dancing. Just stupid stuff. Got it.
Okay. No.
Okay.
White box, microphone, hit done.
Oh my gosh. There's flags.
Silverware. She probably gave me underwear.
No, you did it, Mama. Good
I did
job.
it.
Yeah.
I like Robbie. Yeah.